The internet has revolutionized how we work. The gig economy is booming. More and more people are seeking ways to earn money online. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing the landscape. AI tools empower individuals to enhance their skills and automate tasks. This opens up new opportunities for income generation. One such AI tool making waves is DeepSeek AI. DeepSeek AI is a powerful platform. It provides a range of features designed to simplify and streamline online work. Whether you're a writer, marketer, entrepreneur, or freelancer, DeepSeek AI has something to offer. DeepSeek AI can be your secret weapon to succeed in the online world. Let's explore some exciting ways you can use DeepSeek AI to boost your income content creation. Content is king in the digital age. DeepSeek AI can help you create high-quality content quickly. Use it to generate blog post ideas, write engaging social media captions, or even draft video scripts. Sarah, a travel blogger, used DeepSeek AI and doubled her ad revenue in just 3 months. Freelancing DeepSeek AI can be a game changer for freelancers. Craft compelling proposals, manage client communication, and even automate repetitive tasks. Mike, a freelance graphic designer, used DeepSeek AI to streamline his workflow and saw a 30% increase in his client base. E-commerce running an online store? DeepSeek AI can be your virtual assistant. Write compelling product descriptions that convert, manage customer service inquiries with AI-powered chatbots, and analyze sales data to optimize your strategies. Online courses and coaching. Sharing your knowledge online is a lucrative field. DeepSeek AI can help you create engaging course content, design effective marketing campaigns, and automate email communication with your students. Affiliate marketing. DeepSeek AI can help you write persuasive product reviews and create high-converting email campaigns. Ready to unlock the earning potential of DeepSeek AI? Getting started is easy. 1. Sign up. Head over to the DeepSeek AI website and sign up for an account. Many plans offer a free trial so you can explore the features before committing. 2. Choose your niche. Think about your skills and interests. Do you enjoy writing, designing, or marketing? DeepSeek AI offers tools tailored to different niches. 3. Explore the features. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the platform's features. Watch tutorial videos or join webinars to learn how to use DeepSeek AI effectively. 4. Start creating. Now the fun begins. Start using DeepSeek AI to generate content, automate tasks, and streamline your workflow. Remember, practice makes perfect. Here are some common questions people have about DeepSeek AI. Do I need technical skills to use DeepSeek AI? Not at all. DeepSeek AI is designed to be user-friendly, even for beginners. The platform's intuitive interface and helpful resources make it easy for anyone to get started. How much does DeepSeek AI cost? DeepSeek AI offers various pricing plans to suit different needs and budgets. You can choose a plan that aligns with your usage requirements. Can I really make a full-time income with DeepSeek AI? The earning potential with DeepSeek AI depends on your effort, skills, and the strategies you implement. Many users have successfully built substantial online incomes using the platform. Is it ethical to use AI for content creation? Yes, as long as you use AI as a tool to enhance your work and not replace it entirely. Always review and edit the content generated by DeepSeek AI to ensure it meets your standards and reflects your unique voice.